Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. I'm excited to share this stitch fix with you. We're going to get right to the pieces in the try-on. My name is Teresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's see what the stylist sent. So let's go through the boring part at warp speed so that we can get to the good stuff. You're going to get pre-printed instructions right on the box. It makes it super easy to know exactly what to do next. You're going to get a prepaid postage mailer. Anything that you don't want to keep, or even want to exchange, you're just going to pop it in this envelope, put it in either your mailbox or take it to your local post office. You're going to get an envelope with all the information that you need related to your fix. You're going to get some fun styling cards that show you a couple of different ways to use the pieces that you've received, as well as a note from your stylist. You're unfortunately going to get a dreaded price list. What are you going to do? And you're typically going to get 5 items. It can be jewelry, clothing, handbags, accessories. I tend to stick toward clothing myself. Speaking of which, if you've been on the fence about trying Stitch Fix and really want to give it a try, I am going to leave my referral code down below. This referral code will give you a $25 credit, which waives your first styling fee and makes the experience free to you. Obviously, you're going to pay for the items that you purchase, but the $25 will come off as a credit. So minimally, you're going to get 1 item at a great price. Maybe you'll love the whole box. Let's see what's in the bundle. So let's see what my stylist sent. And right off the bat, and not to sound super judgy with the first item, but I personally don't like getting black in spring and summer. I wear a lot of black and white, and I love black and white, but by the time spring comes, I am jonesing for color. And the last color that I think about is black. I did see someone else unbox this top, and I actually requested it, but the version of it that they got was gray and yellow, and it was really pretty and springy. So this is the Lalise Parsons mixed material knit top in the color black, size small, and it's $34. I can't say that I object to the price necessarily. It has a floral print. I do like the fact that it has polka dot trim, and it has actually polka dot on the back as well, and it has this racerback style, which I am a fan of. The material feels nice. It's kind of a brushed cotton here, and then this feels definitely like a polyester to me. But unless this is part of a 5 or 5 box, personally I wouldn't buy this item on its own. How do you feel about black in the spring and summer? Is it just me? I know I just did a Burlington Coat Factory haul, but that was more focusing on black with those big pops of optic white. And this just looks very dark to me, but let me know in the comments down below what you think of this. So the next piece is a dress, and this also has a racer back, which I don't mind at all. This is coral and cream, and since coral is the Pantone color of the year, I don't object to that. And this is a nice deep saturated coral. Sometimes it can look a little pastel, and I'm glad that this is a saturated color. This is a size small. It has the racer back detail. This is a knit fabric. It's not very wrinkled, even though it just came out of the box, so that's promising. So the next piece, twinsies, navy and polka dots. Similar to what I have on, although the dots are smaller on this. This does have some scallop detail and a cutout in the back that I know it's going to be hard to see when I'm holding it up, but you'll definitely see it on the try-on. It feels like a polyester fabric. It's not, I wouldn't describe it as soft. I wouldn't exactly use the word scratchy, but honestly the top that I have on right now that I probably paid a lot less for probably cost less than this. And this is a sleeveless top. It has a little bit of a flouncy tiered effect, which I don't mind. So this is the Paper Moon Violetta Scallop Detail Blouse in navy, size small, $44. And if I had to guess with the top that I have on right now, I probably paid between $10 and $15 for this, either on sale or off of a clearance rack. And the fabric of the one I have on feels a little bit better, but I'm not going to prejudge. Let's see how it looks on. Now this next piece I did request. This is a dress by Wisp. It is in a 4 petite. I like the V-neck. I like the color. The fabric feels like a blend to me. It's not a brushed cotton, which I kind of wish it was, but I'm curious to see how this looks on. I think that the contrast that you see here and on the waist and down the front are going to be flattering and define the waist. And I'm hoping it's not too long. Oftentimes maxi dresses are too long, and I live in maxi dresses. It's kind of my summer wardrobe. I'm not as big on wearing shorts. Actually, I've never been big on wearing shorts. I'm more likely to wear a maxi dress than anything else, especially if I'm going to like an outdoor festival type of situation. But I do like the contrast colors and the general silhouette of this. So let's see how this looks on as well. And before I get too attached to this dress, I guess I better look and see how much it costs. It is the Wisp Ella Jersey Maxi dress in blue, size 4 petite, $88. Wow. Maybe I need to take a second look at, well, we're going to see it on, but I own probably 8 or 10 Maxi dresses, and I did not pay $80 for a single one of them. And in fact, a couple of them are Calvin Klein that I got at Burlington Coat Factory for around $29.99. And the price of this scares me, but I'm not going to prejudge. We're going to look at it, see how it looks, and if it's a 5 for 5, then I would get a 25% off discount. So let's try it on. And speaking of hardly wearing shorts, I asked for shorts. Don't ask me why, because I rarely wear them, but I feel like I should own a few pair, and I own very little. Oh, that's a big amount of distressing. Well, I do like distressing. This might be a bit much for me there. It's just a large chunk right there. I don't mind the frayed hem. They have a little bit of a contrast stitching on the back pocket. I did see these on someone else, which is what made me ask for them. But the someone else that I saw them on was probably 30. And I'm 56, so we'll see how this works out. But we're going to try them on anyway. And these are the Silver Jeans Company Sam Distressed Fray Hem shorts in indigo, size 4, and they are $59. Okay, I have a comment. Are these worth $59? I guess that's more of a question. Is it just me? $59? I hope I love everything, and if it's a 5 for 5, which I've never had before, then that might change my perspective, but wow, that sounds like a lot for shorts to me. But I have them in my hand, so let's see how they look on. So I decided to throw in a quick outfit of the day just in case you're interested. The top that I'm wearing is a polyester blend, and it's by a brand called Zach and Rachel, and as you can see, it's this cold shoulder configuration with a really pretty flutter sleeve. And I have to be honest, I do like this top better than the similar one that I got in the Stitch Fix that we just tried on. I'm wearing yet again my all-time favorite Walmart purchase, the Time and True mid-rise capris in white for $14.97. These are so comfortable that in between each outfit that I film in, I keep pulling these to wear these, and that's a true test of how comfortable they are to me. And the same shoes that you keep seeing, the ones that I got from Burlington Coat Factory, and again, I do have a haul from Burlington Coat Factory. And again, another favorite from Walmart are these silver disc earrings that are just substantial enough that they don't feel tinny and cheap, but that they're lightweight still and very comfortable. So this is my outfit of the day, and hopefully I'm running some footage somewhere showing you in full length. So let's do a quick run through of the pieces so that I can give you my final thoughts. However, I still want to know what you think, so please do comment down below. You know, I had something against this top when I pulled it out just because it was black and I had a knee-jerk reaction to that. But then in addition, when I tried it on, this section is cut entirely too low. I would have to wear something under it, which defeats the purpose of a lightweight summer top. I do really like a racerback style, and the print was just okay, but this one is definitely a hard pass because of both the color and the fit. Now, this dress was shorter than I thought it would be actually when I tried it on, and it does have a high-low hem. I do like the racerback style. I like the colors, and I like the neckline and the material, but this is the one that I'm struggling with the most. I'm really on the fence. Does this look too young for me? That's my main concern, is just because of how short it is. Is this too young? Because otherwise I am considering this. So please let me know. Be kind in the comments, but let me know. I'd appreciate it. So the Paper Moon top, I don't like the fabric as much as the one I have on. The patterns are so similar, and I actually like the cut of the one I have on better, although I do like the back detail with the scalloped hem. So I am going to ask your opinion on this. Do you like the one that I have on? You're not going to hurt my feelings. Do you like the one that I have on or this one more? Let me know in the comments down below. And then we have an $88 maxi dress. I like the way this looks. It was very comfortable. It was a good length, and I just happened to have on wedges, so I left them on because it was easier for the try on. But with this being a petite, I could actually wear this with flip-flops or short shoes, and I'm all about that because I rarely find a maxi dress that's the correct length. I really do want an honest opinion on this dress. Do you think it's worth $88? And even if it's not worth it, did it look okay on me? So, about these shorts. No. I'm not a shorts person in the first place, although I do have a pair that I got from White House Black Market last year that I love, and if I'm going to wear shorts, I wear them every single time. These look like shorts that I would garden and pull out poison ivy and crawl around and weed in. I know that distressed is a thing, but I think these lean a little bit toward looking sloppy on me. And also, they were just too big everywhere. There was a big gape in the back. They were too big in the waist. They had all sorts of extra material going on here. I just think these are no. Well, that try-on was a lot of fun, but I really want to know from you, which pieces do you think I should keep and which pieces should I pass on? Typically, I'm a bargain shopper, and the pricing from Stitch Fix always gives me a knee-jerk reaction that it's just too high. But if a piece is special enough, then I will consider keeping it. And that's where you come in. I really want to hear your comments. So comment down below which pieces are worth the price, which should I keep, and which should I pass on. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys.